welcome back viewers. This is Sarwar Ahmed. Apnepages.com is my website. I am here with you Corel Draw graphic designing, and in this video you will learn how to install a Corel Draw graphic design. See, I have already downloaded Corel Draw. Now I am going to install. Just double click here on the setup which one you downloaded, and wait till the setup is running. Now this is the installation, how you will install the Corel Draw graphics in your laptop step by step. This is the training. I am waiting for to run this video. This video running, you guys will see here. So this is the setup Corel Draw which one now on process for installation. After installation we will open, then we will start the work, how we are doing the work on Excel. So this installation now is going to be finish first part. In the next you guys will see copying file to our C folder. Now the next setup will start it. Please wait. This is the next loading, which one requested by window. I click yes, I need installation. So now setup is running. So this is the initial setup in analyzing. Then we have some configuration about serial number. So this is the setup. Now click here, you can see I accept this one. Then terms in the license agreement, then next. Okay, then you have serial number. Okay, you don't have serial number, don't put. So I have serial number, I select here, and this is the serial number I have. So this is installation serial number. Then I have, okay, I use this installation serial number. Click here and I copy. When you download software you will got automatically serial number. Then I click next. Invalid serial number, I think this is no, this one. So I click next. So this is acceptable. So I see this one is now I need customize, or typically I need customize installation. And this is the software which will downloaded Corel Draw, Corel Photo, Corel Connect Corel Capture, then Bitstream. So this is the things we will download. Then the other things is by default, this one also by default. Then start install. Then you guys will see this is the shapes. So different shapes will changes here. See, this is the another shapes which one we can design in Corel Draw. So this is the setup is completed. Now I click on finish. Then I open this Corel Draw 6 which one I installed. So this is the Corel Draw 6, this one. I double click here, which one you can see Corel Draw X6. So this is the now opening. We are loading applications because now we installed, so it will take little bit of time, so load it. Okay, so there is option activate now, and this is the free days, so I will activate later this one. If you have a serial key or everything, you can start here. So I click here activate later, continue. This is the online, but I want to skip this one, so I think here is no option. So I have already account in my Corel Draw. I open. I put my email address and password, so there is problem. I think password wrong, so I cut this one. Yes, and this one I need to. Are you sure you want to cancel? Cancel this one. Close. So once again I will try. So it's automatically open now because I close that login. I forget my password. So this is the Corel Draw we open. Now here you need to select a new from templates or new blank documents. So I need new blank documents, and here is the width and height, which one you need to select by. I am using now by default, so this is the by default. I open a Corel Draw. Okay, this is the property of pages, which one we are using. This is the toolbar and this is the menu bar. So let's continue with me. Stay tuned with the next topic.